Dear viewers, welcome to SSC Knowledge Center. Today in this video, we will learn about AI and what AI can do and what AI cannot do. AI or artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that aims to develop intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. It involves creating algorithms and models that enable computers to learn, reason, and to make decisions based on the data. AI encompasses various techniques such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics. It has application across different industries. AI has the potential to automate mundane tasks, enhance decision making, and solve complex problems. However, ethical consideration and responsible development are crucial to ensure AI benefits society while addressing the potential risks. So now you will learn what AI can perform. AI can perform a wide variety of tasks. The first one is data analysis. AI can analyze large volumes of data quickly, extract valuable insights, patterns, and trends. This is particularly useful in the field of finance, marketing, healthcare, and research. Number 2. Natural language processing. AI can understand and process human language, enabling tasks such as language translation, sentiment analysis, speech recognition, and chatbots. Number 3. Image and video recognition. AI can analyze and interpret visual data, enabling applications such as facial recognition, object detection, image classification, and video analysis. Number 4. Autonomous vehicles. AI powers self-driven cars and autonomous vehicles try analyzing sensor data by making decisions and navigating in real time. Number 5. Robotics. AI enables robots to perform tasks autonomously or assist humans in various industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. Number 6. Virtual assistants. AI-based virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant can answer questions, provide recommendations, and perform tasks based on voice activities. Number 7. Fraud detection. AI can detect patterns of fraudulent behavior in areas like banking, insurance, and credit card transactions, helping to identify and prevent fraudulent activities. Number 8. Healthcare applications. AI can assist in medical diagnosis, drug discovery, personalized medicine, and patent monitoring, leading to improved healthcare outcomes. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer queries, provide support, and streamline customer interactions, enhancing the overall customer experience. Predictive analytics. AI algorithms can analyze historical data to predict future outcomes, enabling businesses to make informed decisions and optimize processes. Now we will learn what AI cannot do like human. While AI has made significant advancements, there are still several tasks that AI struggles to perform as effectively as humans. Here are some of the areas where AI fails short compared to human capabilities. Number 1. Creativity and imagination. AI lacks an ability to think creatively and generate truly original ideas. While AI can generate content based on existing patterns and data, it struggles to exhibit true creativity, imagination, and innovation. Number 2. Common sense and contextual understanding. AI often lacks common sense reasoning and struggles with understanding context. Humans carelessly grasp subtle nuances, making institute judgments and understand complex social and cultural dynamics which AI finds challenging. Emotional intelligence. AI lacks emotional intelligence. While AI can recognize emotions based on facial expressions or text analysis, it does not experience emotions or possess empathy, making it difficult to understand and respond appropriately to human emotions. Moral and ethical decision making. AI lacks moral reasoning, ethical judgment. AI algorithms are designed to optimize the specific goals without inherent moral values, which can lead to decisions that may not align with human ethical considerations. Physical dexterity and mobility. While AI can control robotic systems, it still lacks the physical dexterity and flexibility of human hands and bodies. Tasks that require fine motor skills, complex movements, or adaptability in uninstructed environments are challenging for AI. Common sense knowledge and experience. AI typically relies on large amounts of training data to make decisions, while humans can draw upon a lifetime of experience, general knowledge, and intuition to solve problems and make judgments. Then complex social interactions. AI struggles to engage in complex social interactions and understand social cues, non-verbal communication, and interpersonal dynamics in the same way humans do. Building meaningful relationships and navigating social contexts remain challenges for AI. Then adaptability and learning to unfamiliar situations. While AI excels at specific tasks it has been trained for, it often struggles to adapt to new or unfamiliar situations or informations. Humans, on the other hand, capable of learning and applying knowledge from one domain to another domain. Hope you have understood the advantages and disadvantages, performance and non-performance of the AI. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment and encourage us to make such kind of videos in future. Thanks a lot for watching this video.